Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagathia from College Dunya. Today I am at Sri Dhanvantri College of Post Graduation Business Management. Today we are having with Dr. S.S. Chauhan sir. He is the director in Sri Dhanvantri College of Post Graduation Business Management. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College
Thank you,
Dunya.
Vijay. Thank you very much.
So sir, start with the interview. My first question is the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your college?
Bhumiji, I agree. The education system in India as well as with the foreign countries structure is quite differently. But as per my opinion, as we started, Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management was established in 2018 with the vision to become state leading business school in the pharmaceutical management, as well as with the statement like to develop cutting edge research based education system. On this behalf, we had and have collaboration with different universities internationally, like Texas State University, USA, University of Uslamia, South Korea, Lumber University of USA, as well as many other industries, which are we are as a partner where our student and teacher have an exchange program for their services and thoughts, which will lead to attempt to learning. The syllabus of foreign education system for management aspect in different emphasis and practices exposure. At the level of Sri Dhanvantri College, we have also attempt to start work on a case study based program, as well as case study handling solutions, expert extension lectures from academic and industries from different international organizations. The collaboration is for the socially, economically, and politically learning program.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is how does the curriculum of Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management ensure the best practice of industry?
Sir, as I discussed earlier, the curriculum which was designed by the help of different industrialists and academicians, which give the best to the learner exposure. Our syllabus is a mixture of perfect blend to the theoretical and practical aspect of learning. Applications of case studies will help enhancement to the strengthening the decision power of the student, as well as our curriculum which is based on seminar, symposium, as well as different studies. It will be developed for our next future.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the college and the students are?
Sir, if we talk about the roles and responsibility to the college toward the students, yes, of course. Each and every student of management, he would be required discipline, punctuality, and time management. It should be the first priority for the management student. We are at the management people, so management students should learn how to manage, how to plan, and how to implement with the best resources available. Students should engage themselves with the reading and practicing. If a student is engaging himself for the practicing, of course, he will gain much better. In respect to the attempt classes, they should be on time and on a regular basis. Being prepared for the class is all necessary, simple. It is required for the next classes. Taking good care for the college property, yes, it should be with a priority management. Of course, beside all this, a student should prepare himself for the social purpose. Ultimately, result with the student will give the best to the society as well as to the college.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is what do you think should be the Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management top priority over the next 10 years?
Sir, I highly agree with your statement. Like Sri Dhanvantri management will be the top priority over 10 years because of we use to discuss the updated version of academia as well as with the industrial requirement. The updated combination will definitely to build the best position in the social status. Our alumni, industrialists, academicians, and many more partners, they used to give corrective suggestion for the upgradation of curriculum for the student so that the student can meet with the global requirement. Of course, we at the Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management, we are in engaging for the same program.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, what would you like to people to know about your college they may not know?
Sir, at the level of Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management, we are with the industrial requirement which is met by the opting a need-based syllabus with the pedagogy involving with the case-based technology, industrial project, guest lectures by eminent expert and personalities from industries as well as with the academics. Students and faculties benefited with an engagement of industrial expert in various achievements to the college. We, the faculty of management of Sri Dhanvantri Postgraduate Business Management, are committed groomed to young generation with the appropriate skill in emerging technology. It has been our constant endeavor to the mold of our student, not merely a management professional, but also with a successful entrepreneur with equipped with the vision in tune with the challenges presented in a new millennium. The college is approved with the AICT, New Delhi. Apart from this, the college having an excellent infrastructure, we at the Sri Dhanvantri College committed toward the society for serving the best. We are very good. We are having a best qualified faculty members with different exposures. Student engagement with a live project, skill-oriented workshops are being conducted. Winter and summer internship, which is a regular practice of our job training program. We are having a rich library with various e-library resources. We are having added more than 350 for pharmaceutical recruitment and partners for our students. The curriculum is based on the industrial requirement, which is regularly arranging conclave, seminar, conferences.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management specifically?
Sir, the program which is we are offering like a postgraduate business management program in pharmaceutical management. It is highly specialized course, emphasis on the pharmaceutical services, where pharma business strategies and techniques in the global environment. Program offer student to the opportunity to take required course at the Sri Dhanvantri College of Postgraduate Business Management during 2 years. Though the education it is with the research and service activity, the institute to enhance the effectiveness of the services by improving the administrative activities with all service organization, specialization with the pharmaceutical management. The institute prompt to exchange and sharing research findings and develop the collaboration research activities with the faculties and other departments of the university. We are the management of pharmaceutical management, strict with the punchline, that is a place where a student is at the center of the absolutely everything by learning, experience, applying and develop. Because of a little lacking of the awareness toward the program, we are very much specialized with catering best toward the pharma industries, pharma world with the both in industries as well as with academics. We are approved and recognized by AICT. Our curriculum, which is based on the pharmaceutical practices, industries, and curriculum. We are compared with the generalized, having good target approaches.
Very well said, sir. So, jumping to the last question, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Sir, we all are suffering with the pandemic situation like COVID-19. The whole world is going towards the digital era. For the digital era, we should learn from the best practices. Practices makes a man perfect. Of course, the statement is absolutely perfect. If we are talking about the learning, yes. If we engage ourselves to learn, we will win everywhere. Information literacy it is always required. Education is entering in the digital area where being able to read and write is not simply not enough. People are Also need information literacy, which is the capacity for the making sense of information and data. Exchange and experiences between teachers. Of course, it will be required for the near future. So my gentle suggestion is be smart, passionate toward the achieving goals as well as for the socially strong.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us such information about your college. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Always welcome.